Hi there, this is Chinkitan, and I just like to greet you for another video blog of mine. Thank you very much for subscribing to this YouTube account called Vision Chinky. For my topic for today, ang topic ko is pera. Bakit ang hirap mong kitain? Kung ikaw ay OFW at marami ka ng sinakripisyo sa buhay para kumita lang ng pera, negosyante ka, malaki ang iyong iniris para ikaw ay kumita, empleyado ka at nagtsatsaga na kumita kahit maliit ang sweldo. Bakit ba tayo napakahirap mo? Bakit kaya napakahirap nating kitain ng pera? Ang masaklap pa dito, ang tagal nating kitain pero ang dali-dali gastusin. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, daig pa natin ang tinatawag na isang linggong pag-ibig. Pagkita pa lang ng pera, hindi pa dumadampi sa ating palad ay ubos na. Ayaw naman natin mabuhay na tayo lang ay kumikita at tayo kumakayod lang at parang wala naman nangyayari sa ating buhay. So if you are really looking for answer this 2016 or you're looking for answer for your situation right now, let me recommend to you that we need to start changing our perspective and our mindset. Number one, let me encourage you, huwag kang mag-focus sa pera. You read it right. Huwag puro pera lang ang dapat ang inasa isip natin. Chinky, kailangan naman natin kumita. Yes, money is a means but it's not the end. Hindi yan ang end goal natin. The reason why we want to make money is not for the money because we want to spend time more with our family. Huwag natin gawing motivation ang pera sa pagtatrabaho natin. Bakit? Kasi pag hindi mo nakinita ang pera, once you don't earn the money, what will you do? You will stop doing what you're doing. Pero ikaw naman, kung ikaw naman, ang motivation mo ay hindi pera, iba yung motivation mo, kahit di mo pa kinikita ang pera, since iba naman ang hinahangad mo sa buhay, yung pera will only be a result of what you want to do in life. So, that's the reason why, let me go to second point, you got to find something that you love to do. Love what you are doing. Mahalin mo ang trabaho mo at mamahalin ka rin itong pabalik. If we are doing our job just for the sake of money, again, kung mapagalitan ka lang ng boss mo, mahirapan ka lang, maintriga ka, anong mangyayari? Titigil ka na. Kung maliit na yung sweldo, ano gagawin mo? Titigil ka na naman. No, very, very important. I always tell people, find something that you love to do so that you don't have to work for another day in your life. Money is only a result of a job well done. And last but not the least, let me suggest, once you start making money, huwag nyo agastusin agad. Make money work for you. Huwag tayong magpaalipin sa pera. Dapat ang pera ang maging alipin po natin. Be wise in handling your money. Manage your money properly. And once you start managing it, you save it, you make it grow. You make it work for you. So very, very important yan. Start a business. Invest probably in financial instrument. No? Think of ways on how to grow your money para walang darating sa panahon na hindi siya ay magiging broke at siya po ay magiging pobre. Mga kapatid, kahit mahirap man ang buhay mo ngayon, maaari natin mapagaan ang ating mga buhay if we don't focus too much on what? The money as the end result. We use money in order for it to work for us. So if you enjoy what you're doing right now, at the same time, you make money work for you, you know what? You will have a very fruitful life this 2016. So let me ask you this question. Pagod ka na ba sa ginagawa mo? Dahil ba ang habol mo lang ay pera? Mahal mo ba talagang trabaho mo? Kahit wala ka talaga masyadong kinikita, talagang gagawin mo pa rin. Nag-umpisa ka naman bang impok ng pera at magpalago ng pera? So hindi pa? This is a time for you to do something. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.